What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be showing y'all the Facebook cash code funnel and how it can help you make up to $500 with Newbies on Fire. I know you're wondering, you're like, how can I get paid by adding people to a Facebook group? I'm going to explain to you why. So what you'll want to do is come over to your back office on Newbies on Fire, click Tools, click your pages, and what it's going to do is show you all of the pages that they have created for you. And as you can see, this lovely Facebook group funnel is right here. You just copy the link, and you would want to share this with people who already asked for more information, or people who are already signed up and they just need a little more guidance and proof of other people making more money. So you can share this really with everybody that has a Facebook page. And once they sign up through this, so you can earn 25, 100, 250, 500 using the undiscovered Facebook group hack. And once they go through this, you will get that sign up, and it'll let you know that somebody just signed up through your Facebook cash code, but it'll redirect them to this group. And it's the Newbies on Fire group called the Facebook cash code. And what it has is a lot of testimonials, a lot of people making money, a lot of proof. This is nothing but leverage. This is nothing but leverage. Once somebody sees all of these people making money, they're going to want to act, guys. They're going to want to get in, make money. So I would share this group with everybody I know that has asked for more information or wants to know more about Newbies on Fire. So all they have to do is, once they come in, it's a video at the top telling them exactly what to do. And once they go through this Facebook funnel, it's a cookie that's connected to their, their internet on their phone. So all they have to do is click 2. Once they create that account, you'll get that sign up because that cookie from your funnel is connected to them. So once they do that, guys, all they have to do is look at this, come back to this, and it tells them exactly how to set everything up. It's a video right here explaining it. They've done a good job with this, and you'll get that sign up. So you can go to different Facebook groups, type in Facebook groups, how to make money from home, how to make money online, those type of groups. Post in them and just say something around the lines of, who wants to make money every single day or $500 a day? Just put your own number out there and just make a curiosity post. Just say, who wants to make $500 a day by adding people to this secret Facebook group? It is a private group. You can only get an invite to it. You can't just join the group. So who wants to make $500 a day by adding people to this private Facebook group? Once people start asking you for more info, because once you post in those groups, people are asking for more information because they're looking for ways to make money from home. And you just simply go to your pages and just give them this link right here. And once they go through it, they're going to see all the leverage. They're going to see all the people making money, and you're going to get paid. $25 commissions, $100 commissions, $250 and $500 commissions just by sharing this valuable Facebook group funnel. So that's pretty much it. It's not a long video, but if you want more information, I will put that link below. You can click on it if you want to see some proof. Click on that link, join the Facebook group, see the leverage, and get back with me. Join the group. You start making money. You get happy. You post. Other people see your post, so they get started. Everybody's just helping everybody out. That's basically what it is. So go ahead, man. If y'all like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell. See, I'll be the first to know once I drop another video, man. But other than that, I'm out.